Welcome to our exploration of the top 5 gaming monitors for a premium gaming experience. First, we have the ASUS ROG Swift PG279QZ. This 27-inch marvel offers a 2560 by 144 resolution, a rapid 165 Hz refresh rate, and a 4 milliseconds GTG response time, perfect for competitive gaming. Its IPS panel delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, while G-Sync compatibility ensures smooth gameplay. Next, the Acer Predator X27, a 27-inch 4K gaming powerhouse with a 140 Hz refresh rate and G-Sync HDR support. Its IPS panel offers superior color accuracy, and the ergonomic design ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. The Dell Alienware AW341/8DW stands out with its 34-inch ultrawide display and 120 Hz refresh rate. The curved screen and IPS panel provide an immersive experience, while its unique design and RGB lighting make it a stylish addition to any setup. Then, the LG G7 GL83A-B. This 27-inch monitor combines a 144 OP resolution with a 140 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time. Its IPS panel is known for color precision, and G-Sync compatibility adds to its gaming prowess. Finally, the Samsung Odyssey G7. Available in 27-inch or 32-inch sizes, it features a 100R curvature for immersion, a 240 Hz refresh rate for smooth gameplay, and supports both G-Sync and FreeSync technologies. Each of these monitors offers a unique gaming experience, combining high performance with stunning visuals. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a casual player, these monitors are sure to elevate your gaming experience.